Hi, this is me, Chell, and this is my YouTube video.
And what are you doing today?
I'm making craft cookies with, with eyeballs.
Craft cookies with eyeballs. Are they going to be delicious?
Yeah.
What do you call these craft cookies? Are they just called craft cookies?
Yeah.
Ooh, what do they taste like?
They taste just like crafts.
Mmm. So are they going to taste sparkly?
Yeah.
Taste like glitter?
Uh-huh.
And taste like some eyeballs?
Yeah.
So how do you do it? Tell me how you make these eyeball craft cookies.
I put them in this oven.
Okay.
And then it'll be nice and yummy.
Mmm.
You can eat it pretend.
Oh, you can eat it pretend?
Yeah.
Ooh, do I get to try some of that after you're done?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
But it can be cooked. Do you like my oven? It has lots of parts.
Does it have your name on it?
Of course it does, right there.
Yep, it says Chell's house right there. You remember how to spell your name?
C-H-E-L. Chell.
Oh, you forgot an L. 2 L's. C-H-E-L-L. Chell.
Oh.
Yeah, but you did really good.
No.
Okay, so now what are you doing?
This is the oven. So now this is going to be a cake, just like a cake.
Uh-huh.
And now I put the top part like this. Look, it wasn't falling out. Now I'm going to put this in the oven.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Now I'm going to this is cold. This is hotter, like so hot. And this is a little bit hot. So I'm going to do the little bit hot. Now this one.
Mm-hmm.
Now this one.
Sounds good.
It burns me a little bit.
Oh, no.
Pretend.
So tell me about the other stuff you have here. What else do you have here?
I am here.
And this is Atlas. Say hi, Atlas.
Hi, Alice.
Who is Atlas, Chell? Can you tell everybody?
Yeah. This is Alice Kid.
He's your little brother. Hey, we don't eat glitter, buddy. Don't eat the glitter. That's not for eats. Yeah, let's take that out of your mouth there. Don't put it in your mouth.
It's Christmas Day today.
Oh, it's Christmas. No, stop eating glitter. Don't eat glitter.
This is so fun with Christmas Day.
Oh, that is a little birdhouse. It's a little pretend birdhouse. So cool, huh? Okay, do you think your cookies are almost done?
Yep.
Okay, let's see them.
But my eyeball is snowing today. So I gotta make this fast. Eyeball.
That's right, it's an eyeball, but you don't put it in your mouth, okay? Okay, it looks like it's out. Ooh, that smells really good.
I know, but it smells a little bit yuckier. It made it yummy. And it's Christmas Day.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I have to make this very fast. But I'm trying.
Is it snowing on the house? Ooh.
Beautiful snow. Wow, it's so silly snow. Oh, this is so silly.
Yeah, that's glue. We don't put glue in our mouth though, okay? And don't sniff it. No sniffing glue. Wow, you are so sparkly. Can I see your hands? Whoa. You're like magic. You too, Atlas?
Yeah, I want both.
You're so magical. All right, let's see the cookies.
Yummy cookies.
Oh, wow, those look really good.
But they need a little bit sprinkles.
Oh, some sprinkles? You got some sprinkles there?
Yep.
Oh, a little tiny jar of sprinkles. All right, let's see you put those sprinkles in there.
Yep.
Ooh, that looked really nice.
Yeah.
What's that, Atlas?
And now,
Nice, thank you.
when it's Christmas Day, it's supposed to have pink.
Oh, cool.
Look.
Oh, thank you, Atlas.
Pinka, pinka.
What are those, Chell?
These are pink stickers
Oh,
for
cool.
Christmas Day. These are Christmas lights.
Thanks, buddy.
And then Christmas lights are already on.
I think this is a really good video so far, Chell. I bet everybody likes it a lot. No, don't eat those. These are pretend. You're doing so good. Ooh, are those like Christmas lights?
Yeah. Look at that egg.
Oh, that's a cool egg.
And
You can't squish it?
I can't squish it. Christmas lights. Look, I
Oh.
can't squish.
Oh, that's so cool.
You
can squish it. It's kinda squishy.
Lights. I like these Christmas lights.
Yeah, those are very nice Christmas lights, like blue flowers.
Ooh, eyeballs.
Yeah, those are eyeballs. Don't touch your cookies, though. They're not ready yet. Don't touch
Yeah, it's
Atlas.
Christmas Day.
Those are pretend cookies. Don't take the eyeballs out. Thank you. Great job.
Two.
So I heard you asked Mommy you wanted to have your own YouTube channel.
I want YouTube.
You want a YouTube channel too?
Yeah.
Oh, I think not yet. I think you gotta grow a bit. You gotta get a little bit older. And Chell, how old are you?
I'm 4.
That's right, you are 4.
Now, I just need one of these.
Mm-hmm.
These are silk crafts. These kinda are Christmas Day things too.
Cool. So what is this? Tell me all about it.
So this is a perfect clap. This is a string to attach to my house. And this end part goes with things inside there. Inside there.
Boy, that house looks really cool, Chell. Is it still an oven or is it a house now?
It's still an oven.
Okay, it's a house oven, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That looks really, really nice.
But now I just have to put my name.
Put your name on the roof there.
Oops.
Oop, where'd he go? Good job, you even did it the right way. That's really pretty. Okay, now what you gonna do?
Oh. Oh.
Got some
These
puzzle
are just
pieces.
what I was looking for.
Yeah, Atlas put them over here. He stacked them up to just make sure everything was organized.
Oh, good.
It's very nice of him, huh?
Yeah.
He was showing me all the cool stuff you got. Ooh. Very nice.
And now I need some more of these.
Oh, what's this? Oh, is this from your friend George the Giant?
Yeah, remember?
Yeah. We like George.
Yeah, he's the bestest ever.
Yeah. Okay, you getting those on there?
These are Christmas lights.
You like Christmas a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. Ooh, that fit nicely. Very good.
Christmas lights.
All right, so now what are you gonna do? Should we taste some of that cake and see how good it is? Some of your cookies?
Not yet.
Sparkly eyeballs? Okay. Not there yet. What you looking for?
There's 2 of these.
2 hearts?
No, like 2 of these Christmas lights.
Oh. I think they're right here.
Oh.
There you go. This is looking really good. I'm excited to see what you do with it.
You put them like that.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. And this. And
Nice.
now, I have this plate.
Now what you gonna do?
And now some sprinkles.
Ooh, that looked really nice.
Now some salt. I like salt. And eggs. These are Christmas eggs. And now this yummiest cookie ever.
Have a bite, pretend, and tell me how it tastes. Oh, you're gonna put it in there, that's good.
And now this plate is for you.
Oh, thank you.
And this plate is for me. This is Christmas cookie.
Okay.
And this is not Christmas egg.
And we get to eat now?
Nope, this is not Christmas egg. Between here. Now we just have to put it in there. And 2 of these. La 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 la. Is it snowing outside? Pretend. Yes, it's snowing outside. Pretend.
Oh, it is snowing outside. Pretend.
Now, Christmas Day. Who wants cake?
I do.
Okay.
You're gonna put, okay. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so excited. Ooh, it looks so yummy. It's very sparkly. Okay. It tastes like sparkly eyeballs. Very crafty. What's yours gonna taste like?
I don't know. And now some icing.
Ooh.
That's not the icing. This is the written icing.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, that looks really nice.
Oh, my drink.
Is it yummy? You silly goose, you're not supposed to actually drink it. It's for pretend, remember?
Oh.
Oh, you're so silly. All right, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
I love you.